Hello everyone, welcome again in Omkar English Medium School's digital classroom and in Tushar Joshi's Maths Club. So guys, in our last lecture we have seen up to question number 5th, and today I'm going to solve question number 6, 7 and few more. So as I inform you, this exercise is IMP. Generally 3-mark question comes from this exercise. So out of few questions, some important question today I'm going to teach you. So let's start. See, this is the question number 6. Question is given, the first and the last term are given, so which is 17 and 350 respectively. The common difference is also given, and they have asked us that how many terms are there and what is their sum, so that we have to find. So first, as I teach you, first what we should do, we have to write the all data which they have given, because I always says that proper description is highly required. Okay, answer is the second thing. So first we'll write all the data. So here we'll write what they have given. First term means a they have given, so a, that is 17, and last term is given, so that is what, L is what, that is 350. Common difference is also given, so common difference, that is D, that is what, 9. And how many terms means what we have to find, N we have to find, N is question mark, and sum means S, N we have to find. Okay, so is that clear what we have to find? So now what we should do here, so first A and L is given and D is also given, so I want N here. If I want N, so using a Sn formula I can get the answer, but I don't have N, so first I have to find N. But N, using which formula I can find, that we should think first. So we have nth term formula to get the value of N. So first we have to find N using nth term formula. So now that is, okay, that is An. So An is equal to what, A plus N minus 1 into D. So An means this last term we have to, consider An. So I will write here 350. See, this is the thing, in this kind of question students become confused that here L is given but An is equal to what I have to put. Okay, so they don't use their common sense that as a L means the last term you have to consider as An. Okay, so this is 350 is equal to A is also given, so A is what, that is 17 plus N minus 1, so N minus 1, so N is what, that we have to find N minus 1 into difference D, that is given, that is 9. So now easily we can simplify here, so 17 plus 9 into N, so that is 9N minus 9, so 17 minus 9, so that is 8 plus 9N, that is what, that is 350. If every time you don't write 350, so it's okay, but here it's required, so I have written. So now 350 minus this 8, okay, so one step I will cut, so directly I will write 342, that is 9N. So 342, see, this is divisible by 9. Why? Because this is the 4, the 4 plus 2, 6, and 6 plus 3, 9. Total, the sum of all number is 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So I will divide this by 9. So what will come? Okay, so this is 38. The value of n is what? 38. So we should actually highlight this answer. So let me highlight, because this is your first answer. Okay, this is your first answer. So your answer you should always highlight by some time. Okay, you can do box, otherwise underline, otherwise you can do bold, any kind of trick you can use. So but answer should be appear neat and clean directly to the paper checker. So this is 38, clearly anybody can see. So this is my first answer. See why? Because here we have to find n. So this is 38. So now this 38 I will use to find Sn. So now what I should do? Now I will find Sn. So to get value of Sn, now which formula I will use? So Sn is equal to, I think so these fonts are not clearly visible. Let me change the ink. 1 minute. Okay. Sn. Okay. Sn is equal to, now n by 2 into a plus l we can use. So now value of n is what? That is 38. 38 by 2. And value of a is what? That is 350 plus l is what? That is, sorry, a is 17 and l is 350. So both are same. Okay. So now this is what? This is 90. Okay, 38 by 2. So that is 90. And now 350 plus 70. So 367. So 367. Here we should write 367. Okay, so 367 into 19. So answer will come 6973. So what will come here? 6973. So this is our second answer. Okay, that is 6973. So again I will highlight it because this is my second answer. So here your final answer should be in statement form. Okay, that we always discuss, that final answer should be in statement form. So you have to write total 38 terms are here, because in question it is asked. See here, let me show you by pointer. Okay, see this is the lesser pointer. So see, they have asked us how many terms are there. Okay, so you have to write here total 38 terms, and their sum is 6973. That you should write in statement form. I'm not writing here, but you can understand what I want to say. Okay, so let's go ahead towards the second question. 1 minute. Okay, so second question means the next one, seventh question. Okay, so see here what it says. It says that find the sum of first 22 terms of AP. D is given and 22nd term is given. So now let me write the all data first. So here what they have given, 22nd term. So I will write here A22. Okay, this is A22. That is 149. And the difference they have given. So I will write here difference. That is what? That is 7. And sum of first 22 terms means we have to find S22. That is we have to find. So now to get value of S22, I don't have right now value of A, value of L, value of N. So first I should find value of n. So see this kind of question, see this is the pattern of question. Okay, so this is the craze which questions generally ask. This is just like fashion. Okay, fashions always change, so craze is always change in math, that which kind of questions generally ask. So this is a time to ask the question, this kind of craze. Okay, this is the craze which kind of question generally ask nowadays. So this question, see the pattern is that why I'm focusing this question, because the pattern I'm not focus any question, I just want to focus on pattern. The pattern is that first you have to find n using nth term formula, and using that n you have to find Sn, means both formula you should use. So generally this a question asked. Why this question asked? Because the examiner just want to check that both formula do you know or don't know, and if you know, so are you able to imply that, that means the implementation, can you do the implementation of these formulas? So this is the thing. Okay, so generally they ask this. So now let me go ahead without wasting time. So now here I will use first nth term formula. So that is a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now a n, so I will use here a22 is equal to a plus n minus 1. So 22 minus 1, so 21. I will just write down directly 21. Okay, and d is what? That is 7. So a22 is also given, that is 149 is equal to a plus 21 into 7. So yes, that is 140 plus 21, 161. So that is 161. Okay, sorry, that is 147. Okay, it's my mistake. 1 minute please. That is 147. That is 147. So directly here value of a, easily you will get 2. Okay, so value of a, 1 minute. Value of a is 2. Okay, so now sum of first 20 term we have to find. So now using a, what we can find? L, means 22nd term also we can find. 22nd term is already given, that is 149, means this is the last term. See, this is the last term. Okay, so now what we should write? S22. First let me write Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into a. A is now 2 and plus L. L is what? Now 22nd term, that is our last term, so that is 149. So 149. S22 is already sorry, that we have to find. So 22 by 2, that is 11. That is 11, and 149 plus 2, 151. So 151 into 11, so that is 1661. So this answer will come 1661. So S22. So find the sum of first 22 terms. 1 minute, let me highlight this answer. Okay, So here proper description is required, so I have not written that much description, but you have to write as I inform you. I have orally informed you that what you have to write and what you don't have to write. So proper description is required. So now you have to write the answer in statement form, that first term, sorry, the find the sum of 22 term means, yes, you have to write that sum of first 22 term is 1661. Okay, so that is the answer. Mm, Now the last question for today, eighth question. Okay, so it says that find the sum of first 51 terms. Now we have to find here 51 term sum of APU. Second term is given and third term is given. So let me write all data first. Second term, that is A2, 14 is equal to 18. So here clearly, easily you can find the difference. So I should write difference is equal to A2, sorry, A3 minus A2. So A3 is what? 18 minus A2 is what? 14. So this is 4. So here your difference is 4. Okay, and now you have to find sum of first 51 term. So now you have difference. If you have difference, so second term is given. See here, see, let me use the pointer. See here, second term is given, third term is given, and difference is also given. So you can find the first term. It's very much easy. Now you have to subtract this 4 out of 14. So first term you will get here. So now let me write here. You have to write proper description, but let me use direct here this black color, and let me write directly A1. Okay, that is 10. See the difference, 10 and 14. See, you should focus on this cursor. 10 and 14 difference is for, 14 and 18 difference is again for, and the next term if you want to write, so 18 plus 4 is that is 22. So now you have first term, second term, third term. So now you have to write AP. Okay, your AP is what? That is 10, then 14, then 18, and so on. And now it's so easy to find the sum of first 51 terms. So now I will use which formula? As n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is n by 2. So 51st term means 51 terms we have to find sum. So 51 by 2 into 2 into a is what now? A is means first term, that is a1. So that is 10 plus 51 minus 1. So that is 50 into difference is 4. And now if you simplify, so easily you will get the answer. So now 51 by 2 into 2 into 10, that is 20, plus 50 into 4, so that is 200. Okay, so here 200 plus 20, so that is 220 into 51 by 2. So 220 by 2, so that is 110 into 51. So that you have to find 51 into 110. So what will come? 5610. So your answer is 5610. S here, now here you have to write S51, S51, because this is the sum of 51 term. So S51, so here you have to write S51 is equal to, what will come, 5610. Okay, it was so easy and interesting also. And yes, the most important thing is this is the IMP question. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. So now let me give some homework. So your homework is all example. Okay, all example up to 5.3. So many examples we have just already solved, and I have given to you in homework also. But if few are remain, if some are skipped by mistake, okay, so that all examples you have to write, means if few examples you have already written previous time, so that you don't have to again repeat. And if you repeat, so it's good, because as I say, this is the mathematics which you, how much practice you will do, the writing practice is highly required. So how much practice you will do, so that much marks you will get. So written practice and the marks are linearly proportional to, again let me write, see, this is the formula of success in mathematics. Okay, the written practice and the marks both are, see, linearly proportional to, I have written linear proportional to. Okay, so how much you will write, you don't have to copy, you should use your mind. Okay, how much you will write, that much marks you will get. Okay, so thank you for today, that's all, and we'll meet again with this kind of fabulous lecture. Bye bye, thank you.